Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. Eweee Apapa Lamidi again. He don't go tribunal like this, so go with Peter Obi and the Labour Party petition against Babati. Hey, my people, we greet you now. We welcome una once again to this our channel. Now wow, not the way Musa no go forget like this. Mr. Apapa Lamidi don't start again though. He don't start another gbege for Labour Party, don't be small. He don't write to tribunal to withdraw Peter Obi and Labour Party petition against Babati for court. Nobody gree know wetin be dis man mission for Labour Party o. Shey dem say dem don suspend am. How come he come get dis kind mind of degree? Abi I go call am now. Take do dis kind thing. Suspended deputy national chairman. Na the post be dey screen so wey Labour Party dem post on their Twitter handle wey dem tweet about the thing wey dis man do so. Anyway, my people, make we take some reactions to dis tweet wey dem tweet for their Twitter handle. One Zion post react say this is actually dangerous o. If Lamidi withdraw Labour Party from the petition, then the petition is over, because remember, by the new electoral law, the party owns the vote, not the candidate. So therefore, you cannot challenge the election you didn't contest in. APC is playing. No understand though. Another person, a comrade Freedom Man, he write say Apapa Lamidi should be warned. He should be very careful of his meddling with the future of our lives. That tribunal case, nobody has the right to withdraw, or even Peter Obi has no sole right to do so. The thunder that will fire Apapa Lamidi is doing press up, just dey play. Wow. Another comment be that. Somebody again write again. John, he react say the man Apapa can never be chairman. We already knew his plans from the beginning. He is working and bribe for Agbado people. APC, they are failed. Okay. Another person again see react again. He write say APC is so scared. Yes, he should give a date for the tribunal to begin. It seems everyone is waiting to see what happens in Labour Party. Apapa can never be chairman. We already knew his plans from the beginning. He has been suspended, so he has no right. That one another reaction again from D. Now wow, wetin come dey happen now? This man just dey do this kind thing, dey write, dey post, we don't understand the plans wey this man dey do. We don't know where he dey carry this wahala dey go. Anyway, my people, get as it get, we no understand though. But anyway, make una drop una reactions, una comment. How una reading this whole tori o? How una see am o? This man mission we no understand. Obedient family, obedient movement, una dey there. Una see wetin dey happen o. Make una share this video, make e reach those wey never see am, make dem know wetin dey happen. Say somebody like this dey plan this kind thing. We no understand where in dey carry am dey go. Those people dey comment, dey talk like this, we no understand them. But anyway, make we try share the video, make e reach those wey never see am, so that they go know wetin dey happen for Naija o. This Mr. Apapa Lamidi, so he plans, never know where he dey carry am dey go. We no know whether they sponsor am or not. Those some people dey react say na other opposition party dey sponsor am to do this kind of thing to him own very party. We no know where in dey carry this thing dey go. We no know where e from dey come, because according to what he talk say, he don carry chair well for the party. He don be chairman for different, from state level. So he know he na grassroots member. He talk am that day for one of the interview wey he do for, I think, one national TV, if not be channels or so. He talk say he don carry chair well. He don do chairman for here, for there, from state level. So he get experience for this whole thing. Maybe na that one make am dey fit dey do all these things wey he dey do. How can you person go just wake up, go the petition wey your party give court, you go dey say make dem cancel am, without even say make you and your party even get one or two talk together. And you know say this one na wetin most Nigerians put their mind on. Anyway, we don't know their plans. We don't know where in dey carry this gbege and fight of party. You know say we hear say Labour Party get internal crisis since. Na him be this na him start the whole thing. Make we drop our comment on our take on all this matter, and make we no forget to like and share. Make una share this video, make e reach those wey never see am, make dem see am o, make dem know wetin dey happen for Naija. Una do well. See you in our next video. Bye.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ